1 upon 2 under square root times 1 upon 2 under square root, then all under square root. So this is called nested radical. How to solve it? So there are two ways. First method is we can rationalize the denominator here. So it is 1 upon 2 under square root, then 1 upon 2 under square root. This we can write it as square root of 1 upon square root of 2, because when a upon b is under square root, then we can write it as square root of a upon square root of b. Now this will be 1 upon 2 times square root of 2 under square root. Now to rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide it by square root of 2. So this will be square root of 2 upon 2 times square root of 2 square, or square root of 2 upon, remove the square root with the square, so 2 times 2 is 4 under square root. Now this we can also write it as square root of 2 and 4 as square root of 16, because square root of 16 is 4, or again this we can write it as square root, then square root 2 upon 16, 2 times 8 is 16, so it is 1 upon 8 under square root, then again under square root, or this will be 1 upon 8 under 4th root. So this is our answer. There is another method that we can use to solve this question. 1 upon 2 under square root times 1 upon 2 under square root, all under square root. Here this 1 upon 2 is under square root, means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 2, and this 1 upon 2 is under this square root and this square root, so it is 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 2, then all raised to the power of 1 upon 2. Now there is an identity, a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, then this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Also, if a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, then it is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So using these two identities, we will have 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 4. Now add the exponents here. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4, or 1 upon 2 raised to the power of, LCM will be 4, so 2 plus 1. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 3 upon 4, or this is 1 upon 2 raised to the power of 3 times 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 4 means 4th root, so it will be 1 upon 8 under 4th root. So this is our answer.